Hello students, this is Yogita Parmar and today we are going to start the first chapter of the chemistry, that is matter in our surroundings. Okay, now what actually the matter is. Okay, before going to the definition part, I just want to, look at this pen. Okay, I have kept this pen here. It is occupying some space. Yes, some space is occupied by this pen. Okay, and it has some mass also. So anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Whether it is air, water, sugar, sand, your table, your cup, glass, anything that has mass and it occupies space is known as what? Matter. Okay. Now, what this occupies space means? The occupied space means they have some volume. Okay. And what do you mean by the mass? What do you mean by mass? It is not weight. Okay. There is a misconception between students that mass and weight are similar terms. They are totally different terms. Okay. Mass doesn't mean weight. How? Okay, I will tell you. Suppose weight. Okay. And this is your mass. Suppose you have a container of rice, okay, of 5 kg, and you're standing on earth. Obviously, we stand on earth only. Suppose you are on the earth. Now, what happened that if you want to lift it up, okay, if you want to lift it up, what you will do? You will exert some force on this container of the rice. Okay, you will exert some force, that is the upward force. Okay, and as you're on the earth, so there is also a force acting against this force, that is the gravitational force. Okay, so this is what you will feel this 5 kg rice heavy when you're standing on the earth. Okay, if the same 5 kg of rice is on moon, okay, the same condition is on moon. Okay, this is your moon. Okay, and the same 5 kg rice is there, and if you want to lift it up, so there is a gravitational force but very less as compared to earth. Okay, so here it will be the force that you are applying, and this is the very less force which is the moon is applying. Okay, is applied by the moon gravitational force. So what happened that you will feel the same 5 kg container of the rice very lighter. Okay, so what is actually weight is? The weight is the force which is exerted on object by gravity. Okay, so this is known as weight. And what is about mass? Mass is what, suppose if you are on the earth and this container is also on the earth, okay, and it has 5 kg of rice. When we take this same container of the moon, what happened that the amount of rice is same. यहाँ पर भी 5 kg है और यहाँ पर भी 5 kg ही रहेगा. ठीक है. So this is what? This is the mass, means the amount of the substance that is present on the object, or we can say the matter which is present in the object is called the mass of that object. That means the mass always remain same, whether you are on the earth, whether you are moon, or whether you are on any of the planet. Okay, so we can say the amount of matter present in an object is called mass. So that is the difference between the weight and the mass. Means weight is different on the earth and on moon, or if we go to another planet, the weight again will be changed. But if we talk about the mass remains same, because the amount of the rice here is same on the earth, it will remain same on the moon and any of the planet. Okay, so what the definition says, now come to the definition. Anything that occupies space, okay, and has mass. Now you come to know that what is mass is. Okay, students, in the next video lecture, we will study about the characteristic of matter. Thank you.